Welcome to HeyGen Podcast. Today we're diving into the GE JNM 3184 RPSS over-the-range microwave. Let's jump right in.
Oh, I've heard about that one. What's the big deal about it?
Well, it's got a 1.8 cubic foot capacity, so you can fit, pretty much any dish in there. It's like having a mini chef in your kitchen.
Right. That's awesome. And the power, how does it handle cooking times?
It's packing 900 watts, so it heats things up quickly. You'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your meal.
Nice. Does it have those quick cook buttons?
Absolutely. It has convenience cooking buttons for things like popcorn and beverages. Plus, the Add 30 Seconds feature is a lifesaver when you need just a bit more time.
Yeah, I love that feature. So what about the ventilation? It's over the range, right?
Yes, it is. It has a 300 CFM venting system with a 2-speed fan to keep your kitchen air fresh. No
Right.
more lingering cooking odors.
That's really useful. But I've read some reviews saying the venting isn't perfect. What's that about?
Well, some users mentioned that when they adjusted it for top venting, the airflow reduced a bit. So, it's something to keep in mind depending on your setup.
Got it. So maybe it's better for recirculating venting?
Exactly. In standard setups, it seems to perform well, and the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel keeps it looking sleek.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big plus. I hate smudges on appliances.
Same here. And the turntable is 12.8 inches, so it ensures even heating for your food.
Right.
No cold spots.
That's crucial. Nothing worse than biting into cold leftovers.
Exactly. Plus, it has 10 power levels, so you have total control over your cooking.
Sounds versatile. How does it compare price-wise?
It's listed at $541.91, which positions it in the mid-range for over-the-range microwaves. There are protection plans available too.
Protection plans? Tell me more about those.
Sure, there are 3-year and 4-year plans from Asurion. They cover accidental damage and malfunctions. Peace of mind, you know?
Definitely worth considering. Any feedback from users we should know about?
Overall, it has a 4.3 out of 5 stars from 57 ratings. People love the convenience and capacity.
Yeah, that's reassuring. Any common complaints?
Some mentioned it's a bit noisy during operation. And like we said, the venting can be an issue for some.
Noise can be a deal breaker for me. Is it really that loud?
Well, it's subjective. For some, it's noticeable but not unbearable.
Right.
I'd say it's comparable to other microwaves in its class.
Fair enough. What about installation? Easy or a headache?
Most users found it straightforward, especially if replacing an existing over-the-range unit.
Yeah.
But as always, having a professional install, it can save time.
True, better safe than sorry. Does it fit standard spaces?
For the most part, yes. But a few users noted it doesn't fully cover the space left by older models.
Oh.
So measurements are essential.
Good point. Always measure twice.
Exactly. And with Amazon Prime, you get fast, free
Nice.
delivery. Plus, there are options for product support if needed.
That's convenient. Any final thoughts on this microwave?
Overall, it's a solid choice with great features. Just
Yeah.
be mindful of the venting setup and size for your space.
Sounds good. I might just consider this for my kitchen upgrade.
You won't regret it. It's like having a trusty kitchen companion.
Right. Thanks for all the insights. This was really helpful.
Anytime. Always happy to chat about kitchen gadgets.
Yeah. Maybe next time we can discuss smart refrigerators.
Oh, that would be exciting. Can't wait.
Me too. All right, until next time.
See you then.